Hey everybody, it's Brian here with Circuit Crush TV. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. And we have another unboxing to do because the guys at Keyestudio made another generous donation to me. And this time it's a self-balancing car. So I'm going to go through, assemble, program the bot, but first we're going to start with unboxing it. You can see the plastic still on it. And just as before, I have no prior experience with this kit. I've never assembled it before. So whatever's in this box is completely new to me and a surprise. So let's go ahead and see what goodies lie within. I'm going to cut the plastic off first. I'm going to cheat and use that. Okay. So this car, speed test, Bluetooth control, balancing adjustment. Going to be interesting to see how it gets put together and how it works. So let's go ahead and open it. And as usual, it looks like we have a manual with nice, big, clear, colored pictures. Put the manual over there. And I'm going to move the box out of the way. And we have battery holder. Now this looks like it takes those odd-sized batteries we talked about before when we did the last robot. I'm not a fan of those, but maybe there's a workaround. I don't know. I'd rather just use readily available AA batteries personally myself. USB cable is one wheel, and then two wheels. This looks like it's something to wrap some cord or some wiring in, just like a protective sheath right there. We have nice two big, they got some weight to them, motors here. I don't know if you can see if there's a glare in this plastic bag or what. Let's take one of these motors out. Okay, yeah. These look like they're pretty heavy-duty motors, and of course it comes with some connecting wire to connect the motors, because here we have a little socket. So there are the motors. Here looks like just we have a little bag of hardware inside of here with a little Allen wrench. And these are some kind of mounting bracket. Here's our assorted hardware, screws, and an Allen wrench. Here's more hardware. Okay. Maybe I should make sure not to mix those up. And they give us a tool again. A nice Phillips screwdriver. Always good when you buy a kit and they give you the tools you need to assemble it. I like that. Alright, here is a box within the box. And it looks like it's an XB module. Bluetooth XB. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is an Arduino Uno clone. And this is smaller than the last Arduino-based board from the other robot that we did. A lot smaller, actually. If I could open this box, that would be great. Just want to take the board out and have a look at it here. But the box is not cooperating. And I don't have a lot of fingernails. Alright, here. Got it open finally. And it looks like a typical Arduino Uno. And it has their name on it and their logo, of course. But one good thing I like is that they didn't use a surface mount board. They gave you the dual inline package. That way, if you end up frying this chip, you can just buy another chip and put it in there, unlike the surface mount, which requires surface mount soldering or to buy a new board. So I like that too. And here is, oh, it's another board. Let's see, what is this guy here? Balance car shield. So this is a shield that they created, especially for this project. I don't want to tear the box up. So I'm going to use one of their tools to open. Let's have a close look at this shield. Okay, not a whole lot to look at, but you got a switch, probably on-off switch, little speaker, power jack, push button, and of course the sockets for the pins on the Arduino to mate with the Arduino. And again, we have these plexiglass pieces that have brown paper that I struggled to peel off the brown paper on the last project I did from Keyestudio. I mean, that's kind of a trivial complaint. Again, I don't have fingernails because I bite my fingernails, but you know, this is good, solid, thick plastic, and maybe this time I'll have an easier time peeling it off. So that is it. That's what's in the box. It's not a whole lot of stuff. So I'm hoping that this could be a pretty easy build, maybe something I can knock out in an hour or two at the most. Again, I'm not thrilled with the obscure battery type. I might have to go to, there's a battery warehouse down the street I can go to, maybe find the batteries, or just order them on Amazon. I have a crap load of AA's, but that's not going to work with this battery holder, so I'm going to have to, this time I don't have a choice, I have to get the correct battery. So I'm going to go ahead and get started assembling the bot, do the mechanical assembly first, get everything screwed together, wired up, plugged in, and then I'll come back to you guys and let you know how it went.